Welcome to Vid Gadget, the ultimate destination for tech enthusiasts and aspiring content creators. In today's video, we've curated the top 5 best cameras for YouTube beginners in 2024. Whether you're diving into the world of vlogging or enhancing your video quality, we've got you covered. From crisp visuals to user-friendly features, these cameras are game changers. Stay tuned for insightful reviews and valuable insights. Don't forget to subscribe, so you never miss our latest recommendations and tech updates. Let's capture your creative journey together at Vid Gadget. Number 5. Experience the pinnacle of creativity and versatility with the Sony A6700 mirrorless Alpha APS-C camera bundle. Unleash your artistic vision with the 26MP APS-C XMirror sensor and the powerful Bionz XR processor, delivering exceptional image quality. The dedicated AI processor and real-time recognition ensure accurate subject tracking, while the 4K/60p recording with 6K oversampling and 4:2:2 10-bit depth opens up new horizons for videography. Capture the moment with precision using the 759 phase detection AF points covering 93% of the frame, and shoot at an impressive 11 frames per second for over 1000 JPEG images. The camera's innovative features include real-time tracking, AI-based auto-framing, and human pose estimation for an elevated shooting experience. The 5-axis in-body optical image stabilization guarantees steady shots with up to 5 steps compensation. This bundle enhances your photography journey with a Deco Gear photography bag, extra battery, dual charger, and a flash for versatile lighting. The inclusion of essential accessories like memory cards, tripod, lens care tools, and software completes this comprehensive kit, offering everything you need for a seamless and rewarding photography experience. With Sony USA authorization and warranty, embark on your creative endeavors with confidence. Number 4. Elevate your vlogging and content creation with the Sony ZV-II vlog camera, designed specifically for the needs of vloggers and content creators. In sleek black, this compact camera packs a punch with its ultra-wide 18 to 50mm zoom lens, ensuring you capture everything in the frame with ease. Equipped with a large 1.0 type sensor, the ZV-II delivers professional results even in challenging low-light conditions. The wide aperture f1.8-4.0 lens adds a touch of artistry, creating beautifully defocused backgrounds that make your subject pop. Audio is crystal clear thanks to the directional 3-capsule microphone, and the included windscreen accessory ensures your sound remains pristine in outdoor settings. Stay effortlessly in focus with real-time autofocus tracking and IAF, allowing you to concentrate on your content without worrying about blurry shots. Compact, powerful, and tailored for vlogging, the Sony ZV-II is your go-to companion for creating high-quality content that stands out. Whether you're a seasoned vlogger or just starting, this camera delivers the tools you need for professional and captivating results. Number 3. Introducing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, a pocket-sized powerhouse that redefines the way you capture and share your moments. This innovative gimbal camera boasts a 1-inch CMOS sensor, recording stunning 4K footage at an impressive 120 frames per second. From breathtaking night views to vibrant sunsets, Osmo Pocket 3 ensures enhanced clarity and visual brilliance in every shot. Effortlessly frame your shots with the expansive 2-inch touchscreen that rotates for both horizontal and vertical shooting. Say goodbye to shaky videos thanks to the advanced 3-axis mechanical stabilization, providing superb stability whether you're dancing, chasing pets, or hiking. Stay effortlessly in focus with Active Track 6.0, whether you're on the move or recording dynamic scenes. The fast and accurate focusing ensures every detail is captured, be it action-packed sequences or still shots. Unlock your creative potential with advanced color grading using D-Log-M and 10-bit color depth, allowing you to record up to 1 billion colors for stunning visual effects during post-production. Immersive audio is a key feature, with stereo recording capturing high-quality sound to enhance your videos with crystal-clear audio. The compact and convenient design of the Osmo Pocket 3 makes it incredibly portable and long-lasting, ensuring you never miss a moment, whether you're traveling abroad or at family gatherings. The starting set includes the DJI Mic 2 transmitter, battery handle, Osmo Mini tripod, and more, making it an all-in-one solution for your creative needs. Please note that the DJI Mimo app can be downloaded from the official website, ensuring a seamless user experience. Elevate your videography game with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, your go-to companion for capturing life's extraordinary moments. Number 2. Unleash the power of cinematic storytelling with the Sony Cinema Line FX30 Super 35 camera. Boasting a 20.1 MP XMR or APS-C, Super 35mm format, image sensor, this camera delivers a wide dynamic range, ensuring exceptional image quality for your cinematic endeavors. The S-Cinetone TM feature provides a cinematic look straight out of the camera without the need for extensive grading, allowing you to capture the essence of your scenes effortlessly. With flexible ISO settings, the FX30 accommodates various shooting conditions, while the Cine AI Quick and Cine AI Log shooting modes optimize image quality for professional results. Take control of your creative vision with the ability to apply user LUTs to the LCD display and HDMI output, as well as embed them in your clips. The dual base ISO and a remarkable 14+ stop range offer wide latitude, enabling you to capture images with minimal noise even in challenging lighting situations. From its advanced imaging capabilities to its user-friendly features, the Sony Cinema Line FX30 Super 35 camera is designed for filmmakers who demand uncompromising quality and versatility in their cinematic storytelling. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an aspiring filmmaker, this camera empowers you to bring your creative vision to life with stunning detail and cinematic flair. Number 1. Embark on a journey of creative expression with the Sony ZV-E1, a versatile mirrorless camera designed for content creators and vloggers. The full-frame 12.1 MP XMR sensor is optimized for 4K, delivering exceptional sensitivity and speed for breathtaking imagery. Experience the richness of 10-bit 4:2:2 recording with direct pixel readout, supporting both long GOP and all intra formats. Elevate your storytelling with the cinematic vlog setting, making it effortless to create memorable and cinematic footage. The ZV-E1 is equipped with a dedicated AI processor and real-time recognition, ensuring accurate subject tracking for consistently sharp and focused content. Whether you're capturing dynamic scenes or engaging with your audience, the 5-axis in-body image stabilization and dynamic active mode provide stable recording, minimizing the impact of shakes and jitters. This camera is not just a tool, it's a creative companion that empowers you to bring your vision to life with ease. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting, the Sony ZV-E1 is your gateway to a world of visual storytelling, delivering a seamless blend of advanced technology and user-friendly features. Capture moments, tell your story, and unleash your creativity with the Sony ZV-E1.